Welcome back, guys. So in stock today we've got arrival of Toyota Prius on a 2023 registration, finish in pearl white. It's a grade 4.5, immaculate condition. We've got a few of these models available in stock. This one, let's step inside. Really well presented interior, no scratches, rips or tear. It does have lane assist, cruise control, adaptive cruise control also, reverse camera, dash cam. Step into the back. We have ISOFIX seats. Again, the interior is showroom condition. All of our vehicles are HPI clear, and they do come with nationwide warranty for peace of mind. And we also have over 20 lenders that we work closely with for finance options. So if you are someone that's looking for finance, do drop us a message or give us a call, run through some options, see how we can assist you further. If you are interested, do give us a call to book your test drive.